Today is the 63rd Republic Day of India. On 26th January 1950, India became a democratic republic. We got our constitution. Sony Music India tweeted that we should express some of our solidarity or some views to express how we love the freedom and the country. It was around 7 a.m. My battery ran out. I have now put my cell on charge, and immediately my memories went to my nephew. I will talk about that later. First, I'll play the national anthem, which is the best way to celebrate the 63rd Republic Day. We have here Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi, and the Ashok Chakra, the colors of the flag, saffron, white and green, and the words Vande Mataram. On the auspicious occasion, I wish the nation Happy Republic Day, and I start my love with the national anthem. And the color would be black. Black, you will know the reason why the color black now. भारत माता की जय. Dear Sony Music India, your tweet reminded me the memories of my young nephew, Shahid Captain Hanifuddin Ashok Veer Chakra posthumous 11th Rajputana Rifle, who laid down his life at the tender age of 24, fighting valiantly at Turtuk Garden during the Kargil War on June 6, 1999. He was awarded Veer Chakra posthumously on 15th August 1999. There is a school in his name in Himachal, a road named in Mayur Vihar, and another school, Shahid Captain Hanifuddin Memorial School in Mayur Vihar Phase 2, Delhi. He is my nephew, and he was a great musician. I remember having heard Sting from him, Every Move That You Make, where he played the cork keyboard he had, and his elder brother Nafiz, I know them as Bittu and Bablu, was playing the guitar, and I also sang with them. This was somewhere in December of 94. I also remember the photograph and the letter he sent from Srinagar, where he was posted immediately after passing out from IIM Dehradun in 97. I was in Mumbai that time. I not only remember Captain Hanifuddin, my nephew, but I also remember those young army officers and jawans. Some of the names who I remember: Captain Amul Kalpia. He was from Jaipur. His family was quite close to my house in Mansar Road, Jaipur. Captain Aditya Mishra, Captain Chintu Gugoi, Squadron Leader Ajay Ahuja, Captain Amit Verma, Captain Vikram Batra. Do you remember? Ye Dil Mange More. It is not only the words. My expression is through a song from Hakikat, which is apt to remember these words, these brave young soldiers who were all under 25, early 20s to maximum 24, 25. They were not more than 2 years in army, and these young guys laid their life. Most of them were unmarried. The song is from Hakikat. The song is Kar Chale Hum Fida. Kar chale hum fida jano tan साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती रही, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने गया. कट गया सर हमारा तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया. मरते मरते रहा बाकापन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है, मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे, वो जवानी जो खूह में नहाती नहीं. आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिजा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. This song was written by Kafi Azmi, and this is from Hakikat. Jai Hind.